Hello guys, so let's continue. Let's assign the IP address to all of the PC in here, and let's also assign this IP address, okay, to the gigabit ports on the router. So let's start on the switch first. Okay, I'm gonna open this computer and I'm gonna go desktop, then IP configuration. I'm gonna put the IP address 192.168.1.2, and then the subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0, since it's a class C, and we don't need any default gateway because we don't have any router to route. Okay, so let's leave it like it is, and I'm gonna close this one. I'm gonna go with the next PC. Okay, and then I will copy this network. Okay, just 2.3. Okay, um, IP configuration, okay, 192.168.2.3. Okay, and then there you go. And also in this PC, let's do it fast. Okay, it's 192.168.1.4, 192.168.1.4, subnet mask. Okay, and I'm also gonna do it as well here on this PC. All right, will be 192.168.3.2, 3.2. Okay, and then we need the default gateway. So the default gateway, okay, this PC, it should be this IP address. Okay, so let's put it here. It's 192.168.3.1. Okay, all right, then close. I'm gonna open this one, and let's assign the IP address. IP configuration 192.168.4.2, and subnet mask, and the default um, gateway should be this IP address. Okay, so 192.168.4.1. Okay. All right, and then I'm gonna close this, and then I'm gonna open the router. I'm gonna move it a little bit in here so that we can see. I'm gonna open the router. Okay, and I'm gonna go to the CLI, and I'm gonna hit no on this, and then enter, and then type enable to go to the privilege mode, then type CompT space T to go to the global config mode. And now let's assign an IP address to this gigabit 0/0. So to do that, I should be on the global config mode, which is I am. Okay, and I'm gonna type interface, okay, space, okay, and then the gigabit. All right, I can type G stands for gigabit, okay, and then 0/0. Okay, so this is the one, and I'm gonna hit enter, and then let's assign the IP address. It will be IP address 192.168.3.1. Okay, and then space, I'm gonna give it a subnet mask 255.255.255. Let me spread this up, then dot zero. Okay, then hit enter, and then we need to turn on this gigabit 0/0. So to turn it on, we need to type no space shut down. Okay, and then now, okay, the gigabit 0/0 change state to up. It means that now it's active. Now it's color green. Okay, and then hit enter, and then we need to assign the next gigabit port, which is 0/1, to this IP address. Okay, so I need to exit on this on this mode because I am on the config-if. So type exit to go back to the global config mode. Okay, and now I can just use the up arrow key on the keyboard, the arrow key. Okay, up, and then to go back to the um, previous command that I entered, because we're gonna do the same command. Okay, but we're just gonna change here the IP address. All right, I'm sorry. The interface. We're gonna go to the interface. I'm sorry. Okay, we'll go to the 0/1. So I'm just gonna change this to 1. Okay, so enter. Then I am now inside the gigabit 0/1, which is here. And then I'm gonna use the up arrow key again. Up, 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 up. Then here you go. And then I'm gonna change the IP address. I'm gonna make it 192.168.4.1. Okay, and then I need to use the left arrow key. Okay, and then let me change this to 4. Okay, and then same subnet mask because it's class C, and then hit enter. Okay, and then I'm gonna need to turn on this gigabit 0/1. Okay, to turn it on, I just need to type no shutdown. So I'm just gonna look for the no shutdown here. I'm gonna use the up arrow key. Okay, because it will still show. If you'll use the up and down arrow key, you will be able to view the previous commands that you input. Okay, so no shutdown, and then now the gigabit 0/1 is now active. Okay, so I'm gonna hit enter on this. Okay, and then I need to save the configuration. Okay, well, I can type here do space right. Okay, or I can just type do wr, since the wr, this stands for the write command. Okay, and hit enter, and it will definitely save all of the configuration that we made. Okay, and then I'm gonna type um, exit, exit, enter, and then exit. Okay, and then I'm going to close this. So now let's go with the switch. Let's try this PC to ping this PC. Okay, I'm going to open this computer and then command prompt, and then we will ping this PC. Okay, 192.168.1.4. Let's do that. Ping space 192.168.1. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's that 1.4. Okay, and that's it. It's pinging, right? It's good. And now, um, let us try to ping this second network, which is the 192.168.2.3, and you will see that the ping will not go through. Okay, so let me do that. I'm gonna use the up arrow key, or I'm just gonna type it manually. Um, ping 192.168.2.3, and then it's not going through. See, it's not going through because it's on a different network. That is why it's not going through. Okay, it's a request timeout. So I'm just gonna close this one then, and then let's move on to the um, router. Okay, and let me okay, sorry. All right, and then I'm gonna go to this PC. I will try to ping this PC. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. All right, and I'm open the command prompt, and I'll ping this computer. Okay, ping 192.168.4.2. Okay, all right, I'm gonna click enter. I'm sorry, hit enter on the keyboard. Then should be working. Okay, so we received a request timeout. It is because this router tried to register the MAC address because it's running the ARP protocol, which is the address resolution protocol, to try to register the MAC address. And that's it. And let me try to ping it again. And it's working, right? Okay. And as long as you have the gateway, okay, um, on the as long as you have the gateway on this computer, should be working. But if we will not, if we will remove this gateway on this PC, then and it will not gonna work. Okay, So let's try that. I'm gonna remove the default gateway. Okay, and then command prompt, and I'll try to ping again this PC. It will not gonna work because this PC doesn't have a gateway to route the IP address to this PC, to this IP address. Okay, as you see, it's a request timeout.